Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to remove significantly decrease the input lag that you're receiving on the PS Portal. And let's get straight into it. So the first thing that you guys can do is go over to settings, and from settings go over to system, and then from system go down to HDMI. The first thing that you guys can do is disable the enable HDMI device link. So go ahead and just disable this, and this does help, but this will only help for like some games. For example, a game like Skyrim, which is obviously very big, it's not going to really make that big of a difference, because I just tried playing Skyrim and it was like an insane amount of lag. I didn't even even attempt it, but I couldn't even finish the tutorial. But for games like smaller games like Valorant or Roblox, you will not have this issue anymore. And another thing you guys can do is as well go over to system again, and then so go to network, but just make sure you're using the same network connection. So for your PlayStation 5 and the PS Portal, you're connected to the same network, and preferably you're using an Ethernet cable instead of a network, because that also tends to help a lot as well, because you're going to obviously have much faster Wi-Fi as well. And yeah, so doing these two things should help, and you guys should be good to go. So yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.